Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a comparison of crosshatch between a pencil, and we're talking about this particular pen that we received, and it's ballpoint but very smooth. So we'll just try to compare two crosshatch jobs side by side. So it could really be anything, but let's, for the fun of it, make us a Batman. So we'll start with this egg shape here. Just going to see if I can keep that straight enough. Usual stuff that makes up a guy wearing a bat costume. Benefit of comparing the crosshatch, I'm going to make this as simple as possible, but to really do justice to it, I do need to have some sort of detail going. Source on the right hand side, so I'm beginning to put in the pencil crosshatch. The idea to finish this off till some point is to get just like some core crosshatch work in there. So in some places, okay, like it's a little darker than the others, of course. Right on those sharp curves, sharp surfaces, and it's smoother like right here on the chin, because it's not a sharp surface, but there's this bulge on the chin that, so I would say that for a quick sketch, I think in terms of getting some crosshatch work on there with a pencil, that's okay. I think it's acceptable enough. And let's not like go overboard on this, because we do not really need to. We are, after all, just comparing two crosshatch styles here. Two crosshatch tools, one being utilize right now, and which is the pencil, and the other will of course be that pen that I tried writing with, and it seems that it has this very smooth flow, and I have a hunch that it will be very instrumental in getting something comparative to this done. So actually I'm almost done with the pencil crosshatch here. Again, I do not need to go overboard on the details, as I just mentioned a minute ago. I think this will, for now, suffice. It will work enough to get some sort of balance going there. So that is the pencil crosshatch, and I'm about to try same thing with the pen that can get going. So I know that I cannot erase these lines, and some days, you know, you just do not feel very confident about everything that you're going to put down, and it's just going to work out splendidly. And that actually goes for a ballpoint pen. So this ballpoint right here, again, as I said, it's very smooth. It seems to be like working just fine for now. And again, there might be some differences in the sketch here and there, but I'll try to make this as identical as I can. After all, there's only so much fun that you can have drawing this guy. Probably the most versions of a costume that I've seen of any character, I think. Okay, so we're getting, just need to put down the key things that I had going there. I try to work the crosshatch. Okay, so I think that I have the somewhat similar, if not exact. So here I had already, out of a certain habit, put in some kind of ink. So I'm using the ballpoint to try this crosshatch out. Let's always remember that with a ballpoint, it's always a little more work. Now, there is a little trick, and it works up to a certain degree, and you could try this out also. And I think that many people already know about it. Yes, but it's always helpful to revisit some established and tested things. So what we do is we try to use the smudge when we are working the ballpoint. Believe it or not, it works. For example, right here, see, if you look closely enough, some of that ink is actually capable of spreading out. Right here, you can see the tint. I think that might not be a bad idea if I am to finish this thing quickly and have all the good people watching go back to their work quickly. Normally with the ballpoint, I would have a lot of fun taking the sweet time to crank out each and every minor detail when it comes to cross-hatching something. But if somebody tells you that, hey, look, I require a quick sketch, that is a time when you do not take your sweet time, but you go about the steps fairly quickly. And just get something going there that can make things work just enough for you and have some sort of effect. Final version, let's see. So as you see here that I've done something a little bit different with the ballpoint, and that is I have filled out more of the area's face, because I decided that that's going to perhaps suit that particular medium a little better. And again, I'm going to try that smudging and hope that it works on this freshly put down ballpoint ink, and it did up to a certain degree. And I'm going to smudge like right there again all across. And you see that there's a tint that actually shows. I'm going to just come down here. Let's go in there for a second a little bit. Now I just need to come down here. Fade out as much as I can. And please do remember, I think that you folks have already either guessed it or you already know. And when it comes to a character like this or any sketch like this that has these kind of elements, like I'm talking about the cape. The cape is the most, it is the hardest part to tackle when it comes to using a medium like a ballpoint, because you need a lot of time to go through the entire cape depending on the size of the drawing. It might take you anywhere from a few hours to perhaps even close to a day, but again, it all depends. Right, so there we have it. Crosshatch comparison, pencil, pen with this particular pen. It's a Papermate Inkjoy Environics. I don't know if that's the company name. I think we got a sample here, but very nice pen. Look out for it and have some fun cross-hatching with different colors. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.